How to log in into Yahoo Mail. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you cannot log into your old Yahoo Mail or you do not know the process, here is the perfect tutorial. So first of all, you need to open any of your browser. On the search box, type in yahoo.com. Once you tap on it, it will land you to the official homepage of the Yahoo. Now tap on the sign in button which is present on the top right. You can either use your username or the email or the mobile number. Additionally, you can just continue with your Google account as well. Tap on next and it will send a verification code to your mail or the number. From there, just copy the code and paste it here and tap on next. And just by pressing in the verification, you'll get logged in into your account. And that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.